Welcome back to DrawColor. In this video we are going to see how to draw helicopter and some interesting facts about helicopter. Helicopters are special flying machines that can take off and land vertically, which means they can go straight up and down, like an elevator. Helicopters have large, rotating blades on top that lift them into the air. These blades are often called rotor blades. A pilot sits inside the helicopter and uses a control stick and pedals to make the helicopter go in different directions. Helicopters can hover in one place in the air, which means they can stay still in the sky, like a bird. Helicopters are used for many things, including carrying people, rescuing people from high places, and even delivering supplies to remote areas. Unlike airplanes, helicopters don't need long runways to take off and land. They can land on small, flat areas. Helicopters come in various shapes and sizes, from small ones that carry a few people to large ones used by the military. Some helicopters can fly very fast, almost as fast as an airplane. Others are designed to be very nimble and can do tricks in the sky. Helicopters are often used by the military for tasks like transport, search and rescue, and even as attack helicopters. Helicopters are often used in daring rescue missions. They can reach people in difficult-to-reach places, like mountains or remote islands. Some people call helicopters whirlybirds because of the noise their rotor blades make when they spin.
Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button to enjoy more videos like this.